Good morning, YouTube fam. It's your girl Faith. I decided to do a morning routine vlog for my baby. I'm sorry, y'all, but I decided to do a morning routine vlog, just to vlog our mornings when he goes to daycare. It is Monday, and it's the first day of the week. And it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. He's already woke. Say good morning. He's ready to go take care. So in the morning, I wake up. I'm not gonna lay down. We gotta go to school. Mwah. Good morning. So we wake up and he gets on the potty because he is getting potty trained. I'm sorry, y'all. It is so dark. Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. It's so dark. So we are gonna get him a pot. Excuse his eye. I think he scratched against it when he was playing. Yes, baby. Brush your teeth. Yes. So stand up. Ooh, big camera. So usually in the morning he brushes his teeth like he just said. So he likes to do it, but of course I go behind him. So let me probably the camera. Oh, that's perfect. Look what it is. So I'm gonna get you. They'll fall. You better not fall. Yeah. Not fall. Yeah, you better not fall. They're not fall. Stay still. Yeah. So I use Hello Fresh. Got the Hello Fresh for him. He's still too young for that. So we're gonna give him a little water first. What? Yeah. I almost forgot. My bad. See, what's wrong? I give you the his mouth is very dry in the morning, y'all. Ready for the teeth? The cheese? Where's your teeth? He likes to eat the toothpaste. No, where's your I'm trying to brush your teeth. You're being funny. You're funny. I'm not telling you. Come on, be careful. Yes. Come on, let me see. Say I. The eye for mommy. You ate chicken for dinner. So now I'm gonna just wash his face. I just do it with some warm water. I don't know why you scratch your eye. It might burn a little bit. I know. I use this after I brush his teeth, and I kind of like to still brush his teeth with it. Because his teeth. It's going to burn a little bit. But we're going to get whatever we want, right? Oh, you're funny. Right here, I've been. And be careful. Thank you. So now he's going to get on the pot while I pick out his clothes for today. So he probably will cry because he always does that because he just don't want to get on the pot, but he doesn't have a choice. So now, like I said, it's not even 6 a.m. I am picking out his I'm turning off his TV first. And it's rainy today, so he's probably going to be happy because I'm going to let him wear his rain boots. Oh, let me show you his closet. So I just organized his closet a little more and then just got back a little crazy. I know that it's probably time for him to bring some more pull-ups to daycare because he's still in pull-ups. So I'm gonna grab some of those and then pick him out something to wear. Since it is like ugly outside, I'm going to let him wear a jacket, but he's gonna have on a short sleeve shirt under it. So let me see. Yeah, it'd be difficult. So I'm gonna let him wear this polo shirt and probably some very thin pants, which is gonna be hard to find because, like I said, I just got rid of a lot of his pants. It's very hard to dress my child. So I'm gonna roll with these shorts due to the fact that no, because I just said you're gonna freaking rain boots. Okay. Yeah, I just put a lot of his okay, he's gonna wear these pants. And I'm just gonna no, that doesn't match. See, this is why I don't dress him. Or I don't dress him like the morning girl. Okay, so I'm gonna change my mind. He's not gonna wear the rain boots. I really want him to wear the rain boots, y'all. But if I can't find him no pants, ooh, he got these. So he wear these, right? Oh yeah. But I have to change his shirt. So he just gonna have to wear a different shirt. And still. Sorry, y'all, I'm back. His drawers get kind of stuck. I don't know if they're broken away. But give me a second. Okay. It's a trick to them. Okay. So, I got this shirt. Let's see. Okay. Do I like this shirt or do I want him to wear something else? I like this shirt I picked out. Y'all, it's really difficult dressing the toddler. Of course, I got his tank top. And I think I'm just gonna dress him like coldish. And then he can just change later. That, those. Boom. Really regular day because it's ugly outside, y'all. And then he's gonna wear these boots. And then I'm gonna throw I'm gonna throw this outfit in his bag just in case it gets hot. He goes to school from 6:30 to 5:30, but most days I pick him up early. So in his bag, pull-ups. She already supplies wipes, change of clothes. And I'll sometimes throw some socks in there. So what I'm about to do now is go get him some socks. And get him dressed, and then I'll record when we're about to pull up. I don't feed him breakfast when I take him to, and I have to make his bed up too. But I don't feed him breakfast when I take him this early, because she feeds him breakfast. So I don't want him to like not eat. So that's all for this part. And see you guys later. We are finally dressed. I'm in full mommy dress mode, as y'all see, and he is dressed for the rainy day. Usually he starts out his day with the bottle of orange juice, but we're out of orange juice, so he has milk. You ready to go? You can get a cup. Okay, let me put it in your bag. Oh yeah. Put it in your bag. Okay, let's go. So we're about to walk out the door. He's coming slowly but surely, but hey. So about to walk out the door, and I'll catch up with you guys when we make it to the daycare. Or well, I'll just let y'all walk us out the door. I hope my keys are where they're supposed to be. Of course they're not. Where are my keys? I don't know. Yeah, I'm happy this is recorded because this is every morning. I'm looking for my keys, but it's not my house. It's so dark. There we go. We have all the lights off at night. But here are my keys. We finished I finished the kitchen tile last night, so I have to take all that trash out. That's from doing the floor. So we're leaving. So
System disarmed. Ready to arm.
come on. Oh, I don't know what that was. Why are you crying? I don't know why he's crying. Come on, bud. We do have an umbrella blitz in the car, so we'll have to. It's hot out here for it to be raining. Oh wow. So yeah, we're finna stop recording because we gotta get in the car. See you guys when we get back here. Had find my phone. I literally ended the ouch. I literally ended the video and lost my phone. I don't know. But now we are on the way to daycare. So yeah, we are here at daycare. Tatum doesn't want to get out the car, of course. He hasn't been here in 3 weeks. So he's just happy. He was happy to be quarantined at home. But he about to go to school. Come on. Come on, bub. Don't say bye to the peoples. Quarantine is over. Look, say bye. Say bye. So y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. This is our morning routine. We just get up, get ourselves together. Well, I showed y'all his morning routine. I'll show y'all my morning routine probably tomorrow or so. Probably this weekend because it's a lot. But so he's about to go to daycare. Say bye. And thank you guys so much for tuning into our morning routine. Comment below. Let me know if you made a morning routine video and we'll watch yours. Bye.